Welcome. In front of me is a SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So, to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application, like this one right over here. We don't need to allow notifications. And in here, we're going to navigate to Organize. Then you want to select at the bottom, Manage SIM. And this in turn will show you all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. Now by default, the device will try to import all of the contacts to your Google account. It's just a way to try to steal phone numbers from people that never consented to this, as by importing them to Google, you're literally giving the name and the number of people, other people, right? For Google to see and do whatever they do with them. So anyway, we're gonna drop it down here and change it to the device, because screw you Google, you don't need all the contacts. You can hoover up trash from places where you actually pay for it. Anyway, in here, you can see all these contacts now become selected as with the Google account. You can see they were all grayed out. Now that's because these contacts already existed on the Google account. Now just to heads up, these contacts are not real contacts. These are just like the ones that you get with a SIM card. Things like these SIM status and voicemail and stuff like that. Something along those lines. So they can hoover up this trash. I don't care really. But anyway, once we selected other device, at that point, none of these contacts exist in this location, so I can import all of them. I can also deselect some of the ones that I don't want. And from there, we can click on import. As you can see, this import selected contacts. It gives me the number how many. And when I go back to my list, they should be visible right here. Now, you may also see, if you're importing to Google, a notification to delete these contacts from your SIM card. By God, don't do this. It's just Google trying to, again, take control over everything. They can piss off with that one. They don't need to delete your contacts from a SIM card. SIM card is there as or contacts on there as a safe backup. If something ever happens to your phone, you can put it into another one, and automatically you have all your contacts without needing to log into your Google account. I would say that's more convenient than trying to log into a Google account just to get your phone numbers. So don't delete them. Number two, they never get in the way. And additionally, with that not getting in the way and importing your contacts, when you go to your contacts tab, you can see we have right now displaying contacts from everywhere. So all contacts. We can also choose to show contacts from a device and the Google account. So I can specifically pick where these contacts will be shown from. And notice there is no SIM card here because they never get in the way. Therefore, we don't need to delete them. So anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.